Speech organs and their functions. Present by Lida María García Galván, licenciatura en inglés, semestre 1, fonética inglesa. In this work, we study the speech organs and their functions within the process of phonetic learning a new language or foreign language. To do so, we'll explain the functions of each organ in 3 phases of the process of speech. Let's see. Introduction, initiation, phonation, articulation, pronunciation, bivality. Structure of the phonator apparatus. Articulatory phonetics is a branch of phonetics concerned with the physical production of speech. Describe which organs are involved in this production, the position they take and how these positions vary the part of the hair of his journey through the throat until it is displayed by the mouth or nose, produce different sounds. Organs that human begin induced in the production of speech are not unique to this purpose, but is the primary functions like digestive or respiratory. Articulatory phonetics uses data provided by other science, especially anatomy. The production of speech occurs in 3 phases: initiation, phonation, and articulation. They compose the phonator apparatus, organs of the breathing, infraglottic cavity, organs of the phonation, glottal cavity, joint organs, supraglottic cavity. Initiation. Breathing is fundamental in the understanding the production of sound. We call initiation to the process by which the air starts to move within the vocal tract. Depending on the duration of the air initiation, will be involved or aggressive out. Another factor to take into account at the beginning of the hair movement are the lungs, which is the initiator of this. The lungs breathe according to the flow of air taken through breathing, the strength to the brain's vocal resistance. Phonation. Phonation is very not initial or cavity in the larynx. Therefore, all sounds, excluding those of initiation and glottal articulation, their parameters are used to describe the phonation: tone of voice, height, bell, speaking. There are 4 basic types of phonation. There are phones, some sounds, and whisper, creaky voice. Articulation. In the articulation of a sound, it's important to distinguish between the manner of articulation and articulation point. The point of articulation refers to the part of the oral cavity which produces the largest narrowing, and the moving body, lip, tongue, teeth, that cause the narrowing to the patch of the air. The manner of articulation refers to whether the blockhead, incomplete or incomplete, produce or no friction, and the fact of how relaxing this narrowing towards the end of the joint. Language plays is very important role because, according to their position, is allowed to make correct phonical sounds to the meaning of the words. Pronunciation. A, 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 O, O, A, A, in these sounds, the Bye, Barufi.